Hey guys, um, this one we're gonna be making it a lot louder than it was, and it's gonna be fixed completely correctly. Just a little update on the body work. We're getting there, slowly, surely. That's Mitchell groaning like a heathen over there. But yeah, he's taking off the old cat, and then we'll be replacing it with a test pipe. You can look straight through it, like it's a straight through pipe, so it's gonna be a loud mofo. But when we get the pipes out from under the car, I'll show you how ghetto we did the mid pipe to catalytic converter connection, as Mitchell hurts himself again. But yeah, this is gonna be a good one, so stay tuned, guys. Okay, these are the ghetto things that we do to get things working. We just cut off the cat from the pipe it was meant to be on because we couldn't get these bolts off. And then we just stuck it in the new pipe. So now we're gonna remove this and put the test pipe on it, which I haven't even checked to see if it's the same size, but I think it's the same size. Yeah. See. Perfect. But yeah, we're gonna do that. Get it connected. And then put it back on the car and line everything up, and then yeah, should be it. Just a quick tip, make sure you guys use like a gasket maker or an actual gasket. We're using this shit. This is what we found. So that's what we use on this exhaust. So if you want to use it, be like us. That's what we picked up. Well, we got the test pipe installed and most of the exhaust put back on. Mitchell's under here tightening up the back of the cat, or the test pipe, I guess. Everything's tight. There's a couple gaps that I'm gonna fill with some gasket sealer, but other than that, she shouldn't leak, so it shouldn't sound like a Honda anymore. Hopefully. Bro, hopefully.
Hopefully.
Oh yeah! So Mitchell just finished the last 2 bolts on the back of the exhaust. We're gonna let the RTV dry for a couple hours. Look at him. Look at him. Look at the camera.
Why?
You got a unibrow.
Noise. Probably from wiping my unibrow.
But this lines up better, and everything lines up better now that we've got something that's meant to be there. Other than that, I mean, so this car now has 2.5-inch exhaust, cat delete, cold air intake, Bluetooth stereo, carbon fiber shift knob and cluster thing. But
that's some JDM ass fucking Bondo.
yeah, look how good that's looking though, guys. Like, it's getting there. It's getting there. Slowly. But yeah. We'll start it in a couple hours for you guys, so we'll see how it sounds. There should be no exhaust leaks now. Okay, first start up with the test pipe, cat delete, whatever you want to call it. It's been like all night. It's like noon the next day. talk about this mod for a second. A lot of people are gonna misinterpret what I've done here. I didn't delete the cat to be loud. I didn't delete the cat to be annoying. I deleted the cat for the mod. Like, it'll, the test pipe and the exhaust connected could make an 8 to 15 horsepower difference. I mean, it's not a lot, but it's something. You gotta start somewhere. And now that it's got an exhaust, it also has a cold air intake. So, I don't know, probably 20 more horsepower than stock, if that. I mean, it's noticeable though, like, there's a difference. Mitchell isn't here to finish this video with me, so I'm just finishing it for you guys. And then, yeah. But, I don't really know what we're gonna do next. I'm gonna be looking around at parts and see what we're gonna do. I might do coilovers next, but we'll see. Other than that, make sure you guys check out our Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. It's outlaw.garage420 at outlaw.garage420. There we go. But other than that, that's it. So I'm gonna say bye to you guys. Peace.